Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make vegetable couscous. Yes, so if you don't like couscous, I bet you're going to like this one, believe me. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using half small eggplants cubed already, one small zucchini, one full medium small mixed green and yellow bell pepper, and half bell pepper. So as you can see, this is how I cube them. They are not too big and they're not too small. This is the same thing I did with the pepper. So I'm going to be using turmeric. Turmeric is curcuma in Italian, okay? So I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of turmeric, some black pepper, salt, onion, small onion. You can use big onion if you are onion fan. And I'm also going to be using this vegetable stock. It's powdered, so I'm going to be using it as well. And I'm going to be using this dry grape. Yeah, this is dry grape, and I love to put them into couscous because it gives it a very delicious taste. And that is the couscous I'm going to be using. You can use any couscous of your choice. So yeah. And I'm also going to be using extra virgin of olive oil and tomatoes, fresh tomatoes as well, like cherry tomatoes, guys. So the first thing, just place water over the heat or on your kettle and allow it to continue to heat a little. Don't boil the water, okay, because you're not going to be using boiled water for this couscous. We just need warm hot water, not boiled water, hot water. Yeah. So while that is staying there, I'm going to move ahead to the vegetable. So over the pan, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, guys, okay? This is what you have. So allow the oil to heat, and now I'm adding the onion into the oil, and I'm going to allow the onion to cook down for a few minutes. Yeah, before I can add the other ingredients. So the onion I've cooked down, and now I'm adding all the ingredients together. You can even add more vegetables inside, any vegetables of your choice, guys. Yes, go ahead and add them. So I'm adding all the vegetables together because they all have to be cooked together. Yeah, they have almost the same amount to be cooked. Look at the color, spring color is beautiful, right? As it's beautiful when you have it, your stomach will be dancing, you know. So guys, don't mind me. Just go ahead and stir the vegetables and allow them to cook down for about 3 minutes. Then after 3 minutes, I'm going to add the pepper and salt, also the vegetable stock I'm using. So here I'm adding them. Yeah, so now I'm adding black pepper. After black pepper, I'm going to go ahead to add the vegetable stock. It comes in powder. You can use any one of your choice, or you can skip this step, okay? Yeah, so this is basically vegetable, and it's good. It's perfect for everyone. If you're a vegan, it's perfect. If you are on a diet, this is good for you as well. So stir them all up together and allow them to cook until the vegetables are well cooked, like until all the vegetables are cooked, guys. And here they are cooked, as you can see there, and look at that color. Isn't that, it's very beautiful, right? So let's move over to the couscous, guys. And now I'm going to pour the water over to the couscous. And yeah, pour the water over the couscous. Allow the water to be at the same level with the couscous. Don't mind me here because I added extra couscous into that. This is why the water is a bit over here, but I added extra couscous. So go ahead and add the turmeric into the couscous, or you can skip this step. Add salt and extra virgin of olive oil or vegetable oil, depending the oil you are using, but I prefer vegetable oil. So after adding them, mix them all up together and cover the couscous to stay there for 5 minutes or until they arrive to the consistency that you want, that you love, okay? So I set that aside. I'm moving over to the vegetable again. So I washed that dry grape. I washed them twice before adding them into the vegetables. So here I'm adding the dry grapes into the vegetable over a low heat. So while we are waiting for the couscous to rise a little or to be cooked in that water, so just stir the mixed grape together with the vegetable and allow them to stay there for a minute over the heat. Then add the tomatoes I told you guys about. This is fresh cherry tomatoes, so just go ahead and add them into the vegetable, and and allow the tomatoes to cook down for about a minute. I'm not going to allow them to cook too much. So here is the couscous, is over 5 minutes, and I'm going to use this spoon. Just test them. The important thing is that they arrive to the consistency you want them to, okay? So I'm going to add this couscous into the vegetable now over a low heat. So that is what I'm going to be doing here, guys. So after adding the vegetable, go ahead and stir them all or mix them all up together. Just mix them over a low heat. The heat is still on. So because there's still a little bit water into the couscous, I want them to dry up. So I just have to stir them there. I think it took me about a minute or so to get the water dry. And here they are all dry. The couscous, everything is cooked and it's very delicious, guys. If you haven't tried it before, give it a try. You will love this recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you give it a try. Thank you. Share this video and make sure you subscribe for more videos that will be coming up. Thank you all, and God bless you. Bye.